Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable microphone access and allow apps to access microphone in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for settings. The moment you have typed it, proceed with the settings which has this gear icon and click on open to continue. You can also use the shortcut key, which are by pressing Windows key and I key together, you would be able to open the settings. Okay, here proceed with the system options first, tap on it, and look for an option called sound, which contains volume levels, output, input, and sound devices. Tap on it and scroll down, and afterwards, you need to proceed with all sound devices. Tap on it and proceed with input devices. Okay, so here you need to select or go with the microphone that you are currently using or you want to use. In my case, I'm using my DGM20 USB microphone as of the moment. So I'm gonna go with the second. Tap on it. And once you have to open the microphone that you want to use here in your Windows, proceed with audio and click on allow. In my case, it says here don't allow since I have already allowed it and in fact I'm using it now. It says here this device is currently in use, meaning that I am using it as of the moment. So to avoid any confusion, it will mark here don't allow, meaning that you have allowed it. But if you still don't allow it, it will mark there allow. So click on allow and it will mark there don't allow, meaning that you have allowed it. Okay, once done, proceed with the second option, which is privacy and security, where here you need to scroll down and look for app permissions and proceed with the third, which is microphone. Tap on it, and the moment you have tapped on it, make sure that this microphone access is turned on, where here you can proceed by allowing apps to access your microphone. Okay, so you just have to select the application that you want to have an access with in your microphone. You can turn it on. In my case, I have the full access for my application. Okay, so you can navigate here to turn on the options, and by that you will be able to allow a certain applications to access your microphone. You can also turn it off if you don't want a specific application to access this microphone. Okay, once done, you would be able to have an access with your microphone, and you can also enable the application to access your microphone device. Okay, so those are the steps on how to give a full access to your microphone. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.